Do you want to see prices in your local currency on Airbnb? In this video, I will show you how to switch or change this currency on Airbnb step by step, so you can easily view listing prices in the currency you prefer. Changing your currency helps you better understand the total cost of stays and avoid confusion when booking accommodations. So let's see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Airbnb app, as you see here. Then in this page you will find the sign of profile, so we'll tap on profile. Here in this window you will find this page of account settings, as you see. Then this list you will find here payments, so I will tap on payments. And then here in this window we will go to above. On this bottom here we click, and then you will find your currency or local currency. You can choose any local currency here on this window. Let's choose our local currency here, and then when you go to the first page you will find the prices. As you see here, for first it was by dollar, but when you refresh or when you go to the app again, you will find it in your local currency. As you see here, it's changed to your local currency here in that way. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next